guys, and welcome back to my freaking channel.
I hold on to my heart, share with nobody.
Okay, so today we're just doing a regular vlog. I'm on my way home from work. It's pretty hot out today. Like I said, I'm on my way home from work right now, and I'm going to Tractor Supply so I can get some stuff for the horses. If you guys want to stay super tuned with me and with my life and with what the heck is going on, then go to my podcast. It's called the Unbridled Podcast. You can find it on iTunes. Sorry guys, it's hot. I need some air. Whew. On my podcast, I literally talk about my whole life in like a lot more detail than literally any other social media that I have. So if you guys want to keep up to date with me on a more personal level, that would be how you do so. I love a good shopping spree. Let's go. I'm getting this for Moonshine. We'll see how it works. Even though it doesn't work. Also getting this for Moonshine. This stuff is the best. Is the best. Anybody else lose these so often? Don't I look so fancy for picking up some horse grain? You can tell if it's a hot day by my hair. I just got done at Tractor Supply. I really needed to get grain for Moonshine because she eats the Strategy GX, the health version from Purina. And of course, every time I go to Tractor Supply, I overindulge. I also was looking for a slow hay feeder for Moonshine, but I ended up finding one of those ones that like, I don't know, I guess I'll show it to you guys, but they basically like open and close from the top, and then the rest of them, it's like a metal piece. So that was the worst description ever. We're gonna see how that works. And then I got some poultice for Moonshine because she has been traveling a lot lately, and I actually haven't gotten poultice once this year for the past 3 barrel races, but yeah, she needs that. I got it all, guys. I got it all. Okay, but so now I have 15 minutes and then I'm gonna be home. Okay, so I just got home. I've been wanting to give you guys an update on everything that's been going on with Moonshine and with Legacy. First things first, we're gonna talk about Moonshine because she and I are in the middle of the season right now, technically. So her and I have had 2 barrel races within the last, no, we've had 3 total. So one of them was just kind of like a warm-up race for our season. Another one was for one association, and then another one was for the other association. We're running in 2 associations this year, the exact same ones that we ran in last year. So the doubleheader, she ended up doing really good, but I just feel like Moonshine is not really firing that much at all. The second race that I took her to, it was also the same way. Again, if you guys want to hear like about all of these in more detail, listen to my podcast because I give like a full update about my barrel races and stuff like that at the beginning of every single one. Long story short, up until now, Moonshine was doing super good, but again, I just feel like something is super off about her. And then this week, I found that she is really being super weird. She does this weird thing with her ear. I think that she's out somewhere in her back or in her neck. I'm honestly not sure. So she was supposed to race this weekend, and it's kind of a bummer because I am crunched on getting qualifications in for WCBRA since everything was, Kitty, what are you doing? Since everything has been canceled. So my schedule has literally just been messed up. So I had to make the decision to not go to the race this weekend because she just really does not feel right at all. As far as Legacy goes, for those of you guys that don't know, Legacy is my up and coming barrel horse, possibly. And so I put her on the back burner while I had to condition Moonshine for a little while because it's really hard for me to find like a lot of time for anything nowadays. But lately I've been making horses a priority because I've been thinking to myself, what do I want to be a priority in my life? What do I want to excel in? And those things that I came up with, I have been just like really focusing on and doubling down on, and kind of just like X-naying the other stuff. So within the last couple of weeks, probably like 3 weeks, we have been riding her again. My brother's actually been helping me out a lot with her. He rides her, and then I'll do like technical work on her. So right now where I am with her is I just don't know 100% if she is going to be the barrel horse that I need her to be, and if she's not going to be, then that's fine. But I kind of just need to, you know, get moving on with her career and figure it out so that I can also do so with mine. I've had the worst distraction this whole time. This is my kitty. This is my trailer cat that is literally a dog. I don't know. She does this all the time. I've heard it means that they feel safe. So that's awesome. But we're gonna get to it.
Shout out to my puppies. Shout out to my puppies.
You just literally knocked me in the jugular. You have seen Zion when she was this big in my hands. And now look at her. She's as big as me. No. Shout out to this muck bucket thing. This thing has also been in the channel since I first gotten it. Freaking badass, y'all. If you are like me, then you need one. I'm caught. Okay. Look at my core. She's huge. Look at that. Look at that. This is the thing that I got for Moonshine. It honestly looks pretty perfect. Very heavy duty. So we got everything unloaded. We got the grain in the tubs. We were trying to figure out that hay thing. It's not going to be able to work today. We're actually going to go to my friend's earlier than I thought we were going to. We're going to go right now. So he's filling up the girls' water in the arena, and then we're going to go over to her house. I'm also going to put poultice on Moonshine overnight because I don't know, I just think it would make her feel better. She likes the poultice, so if she's sore and she's really feeling like that, then I'm gonna put some of that on her, put the CBD on her, and call it a night. Oh, you guys are such good dogs. What's up, guys? It's the next day. Your girl coming at you with the visor and the cutest bun you ever did see. And I have to brief you guys on some stuff with Moonshine. I think I already did a little bit yesterday. Basically, Moonshine is KO'd for right now. I'm not really sure exactly what's going on with her, but I can tell that she's hurting. So my first step is going to be taking her to the chiropractor because that's kind of what I have a feeling it might be. I'm gonna grab Moonshine. But so basically, since she is hurt or whatever, I am not going to ride her. I drew out of the barrel race this last weekend. She doesn't have another one for another 2 weeks, so we'll see like what happens. But I am going to still try to walk her out. My current theory is that it has something to do with her back. Oh. Anytime I take her to the right, it's not necessarily just when I take her to the right, but pretty much whenever I do, even if it's at a walk, a lope, a trot, whatever, she pins her right ear back and starts shaking her head like nonstop. And originally, by the way, my stomach is hurting super bad today, so I literally just threw on my boyfriend's t-shirt and I'm just going with it, but I don't feel good, so that's why I have shorts on and everything. Anyways, yeah, I thought it was behavioral at first, but I've come to realize that it's definitely not. And hey, she had a lameness exam, a wellness exam. That's not really anything, but she's had her hocks injected, and just kind of the vet did a whole like go through with her to clear her for the season in April. So yeah, I'm not really sure. So that's why I think maybe it has something to do with her back being out. So we'll see what's up. We're gonna see what's up right now. Okay, so we're getting her walked out. She looks good as far as lameness goes. I really just don't feel like it is in her leg region at all. It's really hard to like lunge her and film at the same time. Oh, she's doing it immediately.
Good to know. That's weird. Last time, or that time, we were going to the left, so my whole theory is kind of debunked. But I'm not gonna make her do any more because obviously it's hurting her. I really did want to get her out of the pen. I don't know, guys. Anybody have a theory of what's going on? She's definitely just gonna chill for a little while. So that's my boyfriend. She's way harder to video and do groundwork with, but she's actually really safe. Like once you get on her, she's doing really good. My brother's been riding her a lot lately. Oh, perfect wide. Oh my god. Hey, this is so hard to do, guys. Easy. Easy. Oh my god. We got her worked out and now she is walking out. Something else that's really good for the horses in Moonshine and barrel horses in general is backing up. It's really good for their butt. So usually I'll just back them up a little ways a couple of times. Hey, we're gonna end the day with putting some poultice on Moonshine. She's been standing here while I worked Legacy. I don't think the poultice really does anything, but it just makes me feel better. And then I'm gonna give her some Cam CBD pellets. So yeah, I don't think it really helps her any, but this is what I give her. Just makes me feel better. And usually I use it for like barrel races and stuff for soreness, and it actually does help her back legs because they stock up, so it like prevents them from stocking up. But yeah, I just can tell she's hurting, so I put it everywhere that I think that she could potentially be hurting, which is basically everywhere but her stomach. So again, I don't really think that it's in her legs, but I'm just in spoil mode right now. And it's honestly a really good thing just to spend time with your horses and stuff like that. Like when I don't have motivation to ride, it helps me to just come out here and just spend time with them. Like braid her mane, braid her tail up, brush her out, like not even ride. I don't have to ride, and just kind of making it fun again, you know? But it's good just to spend time with them no matter what. Stop. Hey. Oh, it's okay. Oh.
You're okay, Moonshine.
It's okay. You're okay.
She just does that sometimes. Okay, Moonshine. All right, well, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up. All I have to do now is feed, and then we have dinner, and I'm going to eat and go to bed, work on some things on the computer, but I honestly just want to chill. My stomach is hurting so bad. So Moonshine and I are gonna check out. Why do you gotta be crazy? You guys be safe, work hard, have a good day, week. Love you. Bye.